sent off. Fine start for Clayton. Already upon the rest of the pitch. He goes on the line. Love that time.
Welcome to today's video, guys. This season, 2025 season, Clayton and Tina Clayton have destroyed the track. I've specially compiled this video for you so that you can have a look at it before we come back and share more views.
This event sponsored by Cow's Manufacturing. Let's go with the lineup. We begin the action from lane number 1. Let's welcome the athlete with the personal best over the 60 meters or 7.22 meters, Shakoria Wallace. In lane number 3, 7.23, an indoor 60 meter personal best. Let's welcome Ashanti Moore. In lane number 4, 2 times the world under 20 100 meter champion, 60 meter personal best of 7.02 seconds. Let's welcome Tina Clayton. In lane number 6, personal best of 7.23 seconds, 2024 world under 20 100 meter bronze. Let's welcome Kishona Niles. In lane number 7, let's welcome from Elite Track Club, Alia Beka. And in lane 8, 2011 CSC Games, 100 meter silver medalist, 2011 World Championship 4x1 silver medalist, 7.22 and indoor 60 meter personal best, Jura Ligby. $60 meters, Tina Clayton got up to a flyer. Ashanti Moore chasing. Tina Clayton and Ashanti Moore. Let's go to section B of the 60 meters for women. This event brought to you by Cow's Manufacturing. Here's the lineup. We get things going from lane number 1. 2012 world under 20 sprint double gold medalist, 7.17 seconds at our best. Let's welcome Anthony Strawn. In lane number 2, 2018 NACAC 100 meter silver medalist, World Championship 4.1 gold in 2019, 7.15 at our best, Janelle Smith. Let's welcome 2021 Olympic 4x100 meters gold medalist, 7.15 at her best, Natasha Morrison. In lane number 4, personal best of 7.03 seconds, 2016 Olympic 4x1 silver medalist. Let's welcome Chasha Lee Forbes. In lane number 6, we welcome an athlete with a personal best of 7.14 seconds, 2024 Olympic 100 meter finalist. Let's welcome Tia Clayton. In the lane number 7, 2022 World Under 20 100 meter silver medalist, a part of the 4x100 meter gold medal world record team at the under 20 level. Let's welcome Serena Cole. And in lane 8, the 2021 NCAA Indoors 60 meter champion. Well, she's there. Should have been there. Sent off. Fine start for Tia Clayton. Already on the whistle of peace. She goes on the line. Love that time. 7.01 seconds of flash time. The wind is with Eagle Glow. Positive 2.6 meters per second, circle 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, in this section, this is the men's 60 meters race.
Had a breakout season last year, over 200 meters especially, representing Dynamic Speed Track Club, Shavari Thomas. In lane number 4, he's been having quite a good season so far in 2025. A personal best of 6.54 seconds from the MVP camp, Nishan Ibanks. In lane number 5, a personal best of 6.55 seconds, a 2021 Olympic 4x1 finalist, Commonwealth Games 4x1 gold medalist, representing elite performance, Julian Fort. And in lane number 8, 6.61 seconds personal best, the 2021 NACAC under 23 100 meters silver medalist from Sprint Tech, O'Dane McPherson. The lineup for the final section of the men's 60 meter dash, sponsored by Puma. 6.57 seconds the time to beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, at lane 3 and 4, you can see Nishon and Julian. These are the people who emerged position 1 and 2.
Off they go then. A good start for Nishan Ibanks. He gets up well just beside him is Julian Fort. Fort and Ibanks to the line. Fort gets the win. 6.49 the flash time. Well. 6.48 the time adjusted. A plus 1.0 meters per second win. Julian Fort gets the run over Ibanks 6.55.
Yes, guys, they say Jamaica is a factory of sprinters, good sprinters with records, world records, Usain Bolt, and many more other world-renowned sprinters. So on the 22nd of February 2025, there was an interesting 60 meters relay that took place in Kingston, Jamaica, dubbed as the Gibson McCook Relays. In these relays, as you have seen, one of the darling twins, that is Tia and Tina Clayton, participated. This video is especially for the twin sisters, Tia Clayton and Tina Clayton. Tia Clayton, the 2024 Paris Olympic Games 100 meters finalist, became the overall winner, just ahead of her twin sister, Tina Clayton, who ran wind-aided 7.04, and Shashali Forbes was the third with 7.12. The Clayton twins, that is Tina and Tia, have begun making waves in the world of sprinting with one of the retired sprinters known as Atto Bolton, predicting that there is gonna be intense rivalry between them. First, it was Tina Clayton who was making waves with her excellent times, but it seems like her sister Tia Clayton is slowly taking the spotlight from her. Tina made her international debut at the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya in the year 2021, where she claimed top honors in the women's 100 meters and was also vital as Team Jamaica claimed the women relay 4x100. She managed to successfully defend her world title at the World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia in 2022, and also anchored the Jamaican relay team to a gold medal yet again. However, her sister Tia Clayton, who seemed to struggle in her junior years and never won an initial title in either the 100 meters and 200 meters, has started coming up nicely and taking up spaces. To everyone's surprise, Tia rounded up the podium at the 2024 Jamaican Olympic Trials, finishing second behind Sherika Jackson. And Shillian Price rounded up the podium in the race. In that race, after Tia clinched the second position, Tina ran to embrace her. Even the names confuse some people. Tia and Tina, they are twins, and as you have seen, initially Tina used to dominate, but at this point in time, Tia is the one taking the center stage. So Tia proceeded to the Olympic Games, where she was Jamaica's sole representative in the women 100 meters final, and managed to even though she managed to finish distant 7th. At the trials, Tina was eliminated from the women's 100 meters in semi-final. Later, in August 2024, Tia Clayton won the Diamond League meet with a time of 10.83, shaving 0.03 seconds off her personal best. Owing to the shift in performances, Bolden, that is the retired sprinter, she believes this season or this year 2025 has set up stage for the two, that is the Tia and Tina Clayton, to compete for the top spots in with Tina looking to return to her winning ways and Tia hoping to continue her winning streak. So the duo has already started the 2025 season, with Tia Clayton emerging as the winner in all the races. They started with the 60 meters race in the central hurdles, relays, and field events in Jamaica, where Tia claimed the win as her sister faded to 5th place. They then proceeded to the Astra Indoor Meet, where Tia Clayton once again stole the show as her sister finished 3rd. They both train at the MVP Track Club under the guidance of Paul and Stephen Francis. And you know, Stephen Francis has coached so great athletes, one of them being Ellen Thompson, Kishen Thompson, and Asafa Powell. So you can see the competition is stiff. They are really pushing each other, and the good thing is they are sisters, and even though they are rivals in the field, but they are sisters and they are friends. They are pushing each other so that they can do more. You can comment down on the comment section on what do you think about them. Whom do you think will clinch or will outpace the other? This has been the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And also talking about Kishen Thompson and Julian Fort. You can see Kishen Thompson ran a time of 6.48, and Julian Fort has also ran that same time in 60 meters. So he's coming out because he didn't make it in the last Olympics, but he is coming out strong, and he has added on some muscles. You know, with sprinting, muscles also plays some part. He has added on some muscles, and he is currently having a good physique. So we are hoping to see what is gonna happen. And also in the men's category, they also participated. This was 60 meters relays. So one of the guys who has been missing in action for a while, Julian Fort, he participated, and this race, Julian Fort won the men's 60 meters open in a lifetime best of 6.48 seconds, although he was wind aided with the 1 meters per second. And in the women category, Tia Clayton, also wind aided, took at a time of 7.02. So Fort won the third and the final section, beating his previous best of 6.55 seconds set in 2017, with Nishon Ebanks coming in the second with 6.55 seconds, also wind aided 1 meters per second. Nishon Ebanks, to some people who don't know, he is one of the person who likes training with Kishen Thompson, and in one of the videos I did, people thought that maybe he is the brother to Kishen Thompson, because they look alike. Both Kishen Thompson and Tina and Tia Clayton have twin brothers and sisters. So in one of the videos, Nishon Banks was training with the Kishen Thompson, and people thought maybe he is his brother. So in this race, or in this relays, Nishon Banks was the second with a 6.55 time. while the third position was taken by Gary Card at 6.57. This has been the video for today. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not. Until next time, God blessings.